Hi, this video is for students who are preparing for CAT 2026. It's actually for anyone. It talks about what you need to do beyond books if you want to really preparing for CAT. People believe books are important, but I believe that beyond books, there's much more important things to help you build your foundation, to help you crack the examination. So we're talking about three things that will help you. We've been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam. Now reading. So one is create a reading habit. Reading becomes the most important part of the examination. Reading becomes more and more important as you come closer to the exam. The reason reading is important because in the VRC section, verbal section, most of the questions are based on reading. Also, reading helps you in Cont and DLI as well because you are able to understand the questions better. So spend 30 minutes to 1 hour on reading every day. If you do not have a reading habit, start with something that you enjoy reading. Simple things, maybe newspaper articles, maybe some novels that you like, etc. Or maybe something on your hobby. But if you have a reading habit, then read editorials of newspapers or articles on varied topics. I mean, one such source is Rocher D'Souza's reading list. So you can go to that list and read from those topics. That will be good. Second is CAT is a thinking based exam. So you need to be able to think. So solving one puzzle per day develops a thinking process. Okay, puzzles could be Sudoku, Minesweeper, Kapuro, Hirato, chess puzzle, anything. And that will help you think. You can do varied puzzles, different puzzle every day in a week, and try to solve. Could help your thinking process. You could solve the same Sudoku puzzle every day as well. But puzzle helps you to think, build a thinking ability, which is very important as far as CAT is concerned. Next, simple calculation. Try doing simple mental calculation. Though CAT has a calculator with it, but if you do calculation in your mind, you tend to become faster because a lot of people waste a lot of time on calculations. And a CAT calculator is online calculation. It's not very easy to use with your mouse. And therefore, it is a simple calculation. You need to be able to do it on your own mental calculation. Also, mental calculation helps you to get methods also. We'll come to it later. So you can do addition, subtraction, simple multiplication. All this will help you with regards to, we do have sheets of calculation sheets which you can refer to, which we normally put on YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel and get it. Right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos. If you're preparing for CAT, do subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation. Thank you.